In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Drive with Canva, making it incredibly easy to import and export files between these two platforms. Whether you're working on a presentation, designing a social media post, or crafting any creative project, this tutorial will guide you through each step. Let's begin by opening Canva. First, navigate to Canva's website and log into your account. If you haven't yet started a design project, you can either open an existing one that you have been working on or create a brand new design from scratch. Canva offers a versatile space for your creativity, and with Google Drive integration, managing your assets becomes a lot easier. Now, to bring your Drive and Canva together, we need to open the Uploads or Import menu. This can be accessed through the panel on the left-hand side of your Canva workspace. If you don't immediately see the option labeled Apps, click on the More button. This will present you with a range of options where you will want to look out for Google Drive, which is nestled under the Import and Save category. Finding and activating this integration is key to unlocking seamless workflow between your files and your projects. To proceed with the process, you'll need to connect Google Drive to your Canva account. Click on the Google Drive option. At this point, Canva will prompt a pop-up asking you to sign in using your Google account. Make sure you choose the appropriate Google account you wish to connect, and when prompted, click Allow to grant Canva permission to access your Google Drive files. This step ensures that your design process remains smooth and that all relevant files are within easy reach. After successfully establishing a connection, your Google Drive will become accessible directly within Canva. Here, you can browse through your files, be it images, videos, PDFs, or other asset types, right from the familiar Canva interface. When you find the file you want to incorporate into your design, click on Import. This will upload your selected item into Canva's media library, from which you can simply drag and drop it into your active design. This feature saves time and minimizes the hassles of downloading and uploading files separately. With your design work complete, it's time to learn how to save these designs back to your Google Drive for safekeeping or further sharing. Canva makes it straightforward. Just click on Share, followed by Download. Under the Save options, choose Google Drive as your destination. You'll then select the specific folder location within your drive where you want to store your design and click Save. This action ensures your creative work is backed up and accessible from anywhere, anytime, directly within your Google Drive. Following these steps will keep your design process efficient and your files organized, leveraging both Canva's creative capabilities and Google Drive's robust storage solutions. Enjoy crafting amazing designs with ease and flexibility.